Before using the Nuke tool, open the CAD Options dialog box by typing OP in the command line. Select the Open and Save tab, and verify that the Object ARX Applications area is set as shown here. The top menu is set to Command Invoke, the bottom menu is set to Do Not Show Proxy Graphics, and the option to Show Proxy Information dialog box is checked. Click OK to save these settings. Now, when you open a drawing that contains proxy objects, the Proxy Information dialog box will open. This dialog box lists all the potentially harmful items contained in your drawing, which the Nuke tool will zap away. Verify that the option Do Not Show Proxy Graphics is selected, then click OK to close the dialog box. You might see a message that one or more reference files could not be located or read. Select the option to ignore unresolved references and continue. Before nuking the drawing, you'll need to remove all external references, or XREFs, that are attached. Each one of these XREFs should be cleaned individually. Select all files from the list, right-click, and select Detach. The XREFs will now be removed. Now it's time to nuke your drawing. Click the Nuke button on the FX Admin ribbon. The Nuke dialog box will open. Read this box carefully. It lists all actions the Nuke tool will complete on your drawing. Saving a quarantine copy, running the audit and purge, moving everything to by layer, and W blocks as a new file. For detailed information on how the Nuke tool works, click More Info to open the Nuke tool documentation page on our website. When you're ready, allow a few minutes for this process and the Nuke tool will go to work cleaning your drawing. When it finishes, you'll see two open versions of your drawing, one with the word quarantine in the name and one without. The file without the quarantine in its name is your new, clean file. You'll work in this drawing file from now on. The quarantine version is a backup of your original file before you nuked it, just in case you need it. Both files are saved in the same location where you had the original saved. Note that the version without the quarantine in its name, the clean version, will often be a much smaller file than the original file, now that the proxy objects and gunk have been removed. Save the changes to the clean version of your file, and when you close the quarantine version, do not save the changes. This will maintain the original file as a backup. When you clean the additional XREFs, go ahead and XREF them back into this drawing, and you'll have a good, new, clean drawing to work with.